I'm going to be talking about how I was able to learn ICT. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Mira Forex, and yes, today's video I've been asked a lot, Mira, how can I learn ICT? Mira, where can I learn ICT? Even as much as when can I learn ICT? So guys, this video is finally here because I get asked this question a lot of times. Mira, I'm having a language barrier. Mira, is too saturated. I don't even know where to start from, because yeah, ICT speaks American English, so most people find it difficult to understand his English, and ICT uses most at times big grammars. Okay, even while I was even learning ICT in the past 11 months, I was even having new books or new English vocabularies, and some words were new to me, so some people still find it difficult. They were like, Mira, the way you understand ICT is amazing, your understanding of ICT is incredible. How were you able to understand ICT? How were you able to watch his videos? So this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to learn ICT and how some of other people's contents which were able to help me learn ICT. So first of all, this video is going to be how you can. I'm not going to make it any simpler for you, but I'm just trying to be that person I never had in my own beginning of my journey to you guys on how you can able to learn ICT from beginner level to should I say a level that I am right now, or even much more than what's the level I am right now. So in this video, first of all, let's say what is ICT. ICT is just simply inner circle trade. That's where is ICT. ICT is free here on YouTube, which is why I'm open about sharing my journey on how and where I'm learning from on how to trade. And how did I get to know about ICT? I got to know about ICT from Miss Hannah Forex last year, August 2023, where immediately I finished my paid mentorship class, physical class. Immediately the class was over, I got to know about Miss Hannah Forex and I got to know about ICT, and that's how I started learning ICT. So far in learning ICT was last year 2023. I started with Miss Hannah Forex because I loved her journey, and I started watching 2022 mentorship. I watched 2022 mentorship from first episode to 19th episode, but at that point I was finding it difficult to understand the terminologies as a beginner forex trader. Some of the words he was using were so new to me, so I was finding it difficult to understand, although I was seeing them play out in the market, but it wasn't so much of an understanding to me. So I got to a video of Miss Hannah Forex on where she was saying how to watch ICT, although we know that Miss Hannah Forex already had 4 years of experience in the markets before watching ICT, so I didn't know the pace on how she watched or how fast it was, which one why I'm going to be making this video. I don't know how long it's going to take you to understand ICT. I don't know how long it's going to take you to learn ICT, but because everybody has different pace and levels of learning and understanding. Okay, so Miss Hannah Forex was like, okay, watch the core contents, this and that. So I had to now stop to the 2022 mentorship at episode 19. I started watching core contents. So I watched core contents month 1 to month 5. During those times when I was watching month 1 to month 5, I was trying to stop, begin, like, but something was keep pushing me to month 5, and I'm grateful to God for pushing me to month 5. So month 1 core content was where I learned about frameworks, the frameworks at which market is delivered, the expansion, the consolidation, the retracements, and the reversal. And month 5 was the main thing where I learned about the higher time frames and the rest. So fast forward, I watched Prama course. You get, after watching Prama course, I learned some of the things from Prama course, which was where I learned about key zones, power of 3, and the rest of it. Then I was dreading to watch market maker series, because then after everything I watched, I had to now rewatch this 22 mentorship again. I was still feeling lost there, like market was still not making sense to me, you get, and I was just venturing, and I was dreading to even watch more videos because I've already watched a lot of videos, but why does it still feel like the market is not yet making sense to me? So I had to now, should I say, watch market maker series. That's the 4 videos, because a lot of you still are saying like, which of the videos should you watch, like some of the numbers. So I'm going to be breaking it down for you guys to know the particular ones I watched. Okay, so after I watched market maker series, that was the light bulb moment for me. Everything changed in ICT for me, the understanding and the rest of it, because you know the saying that the magic you're looking for is always in the work you're avoiding to do. So that was when I watched market maker series and it changed for me. And some of my favorite thing about ICT concepts is that is the specific thing about ICT. Like everything about ICT concept is the specific things about it, because ICT concept is certainly nice because I love the thing about knowing when the trade is valid and when the trade is not valid, having a specific setup, having a specific types of confirmation, having a predefined entry and exit, having a predefined system and process. That's a lot of things that made sense and I love about ICT concepts in trading. And just like the should I say some of the things that resonated so much with me is weekly profile, power of 3, which is amazing, liquidity metrics, that's PHW, PDH, like everything was so amazing when I started understanding them. So if I'm being asked, how can a beginner forex trader learn how to trade? If you're a beginner forex trader and you want to learn how to trade and you want to learn ICT concepts, just like I always say in my other previous video, I will advise you learn other basic things about trading before you go into ICT, because ICT doesn't teach candlesticks, how to navigate through trading view, how to navigate through MetaTrader 5 and MetaTrader 4 as well. So I advise you go learn those basic stuffs, and then that's how you can then go into ICT. So in order to watch ICT videos, if you're a pure beginner, I'll advise you watch core content month 1 to month 5. Yes, month 1 is where you will learn the terminologies, the framework, just the beginning foundation of ICT concepts, like what ICT terminologies and everything is gonna be like: buy stop, liquidity rate, liquidity pools, liquidity runs, buy stop and sell stops, framework, reversal, expansion and consolidation, and the rest of it, which is very important when you're starting up to learn trading as well. And in month 5, I will advise you watch till month 5, because in month 5, that's where you're going to learn that how to get your daily buyers from the higher time frame. That ICT saves the best for the last. You get a lot of people complain that it's highly saturated, is bulky, is long, but do yourself the favor and watch that video, I'm telling you. And month 5 is something I urge everybody to watch, because if you want to be trading, you need to be knowing what is happening on the higher time frame before you can be taking a trade on the lower time frame. And that's what month 5 opened my eyes. Like, I think month 5 is one of my favorite episodes in core content. Then you're going to learn about quarterly shifts, IPD data, how to get, like, that's macro and micro analysis for you to get a complete view of what the market is doing. And then I'll urge you to watch month 12, because in month 12, that's where you're going to learn how to do your top-down analysis. One thing again you should learn in ICT trading is not everything you must use in ICT. You get? You just have to go through the content and find out some of the things that resonate with you and what your eye sees best, and just make them work for you, which is what I did. So then month 12, then I was adding some things from month 8 to month 6, which made some sense, because when you start watching them, you start seeing some of the, should I say, the description, some of them that make sense that you want to watch and know. Yes, it's month 1 to month 5, and then month 12 for top-down analysis, on how to do top-down analysis. Then after you watch core content, I advise you watch Prama course, because in Prama course, Market Maker Prama course, that's 24 videos. That's where you learn about the Q zones, the power of trade, which is one of the best concepts in ICT trading. That's focusing on the open, high, low and close of a candlestick, which is all the market is all about. Okay, and you're able to understand that, understand weekly profile, which is what I use mostly these days. Then you understand the market structure, ATM setups, you understand classic OTE, optimal trade entry. That one is an amazing topic too in that Market Maker Prama course. And understanding the Q zones, the London Q zone and the New York Q zone, then you understand it much more better in that series, which is an important series for you. Again, is the Market Maker series. Like, this is key. Like, I used to even tell myself when I watched the Market Maker series, I was like, this series will help you in understanding market structure, which is, if you've been watching me for a while now, you know I use that a lot. That's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, creating the high or the low of the week. That's the weekly profile, and that's also Market Maker series. That's how the market is, should I say, delivered. And Market Maker series, that's where you understand the weekly candle expansion. You get, if you're expecting an expansion to the downside, just be expecting a raid on buy stops. That's going the opposite direction. That's weekly power of 3 before the price will start going to your intended direction. So Market Maker series is going to make a lot of sense to you. Then another one is, the last one is 2022 mentorship. So for me, I feel like 2022 mentorship is just a predefined entry and understanding the little things that matters in trading, like how to enter and how to exit. That's using the liquidity metrics and understanding what is displacement, understanding what is shifting market structure, understanding when you can take a trade. You get, like, I just feel like 2022 mentorship is just the wrap of everything to make it simple for you to know when to enter or when the market is doing a reversal. Because after watching everything, I found out that 2022 mentorship was just what I trade, but on a much higher level. Because I think in ICT there are just two patterns ICT trade. That's the failure swing and the first break pattern. Yes, and 2022 mentorship will just help you to break it down. Price is fractal. You get, everything it teaches in the lower time frame happens in the higher time frame. You get, I just think that's how price is delivered. And if you're able to watch all that stuff and you want to get in-depth analysis on how all those things like the shift in market structure, the sweep, the break, the displacements, the retracement, FUG, I think 2022 mentorship will help you more on that. So after watching 2022 mentorship, I think then as a trader you need to have a trading plan development, which a trading plan, which I'll make a video about that again, because during my own time I was finding it difficult because everybody is trading, but you hardly see people's trading plan out there in this on social media or YouTube. So I was finding it difficult to make my own was so long, you get, but at some time I was reducing to what you guys see me I use now to consistently trade. So which is important in every trader's journey. You need to have a trading plan. So once you start wanting to make your trading plan, I think you should watch Trading Plan Development Series ICT. I think I watched only the first episode of it and it was just everything I needed in that first episode. Yes, so after that was what I was able to watch. And you just have to find out how you learn best, because while I was watching ICT I had many notes. I was buying new exercise book, new exercise. I thought that the best way I was learning was after watching the videos I go into the chat, look for them, get examples, like try to get familiar with them for them to be able to stick with me. I think that was how I was learning. So so you just have to find out how best it is for you to learn. And another thing concerning distraction, I think you should just delete your social media, because me, I wasn't using my social media then. I was just focused on YouTube. I was watching motivations, things that will push me beyond my limits, things that will make me focus on that I need to grow, I need to do this for myself. Because remember, in order for you to have something you don't have, you have to do things you've never done before. Because at the end of the day you will still be wishing that you were younger. But let me tell you the truth, this is the youngest you will ever be. So you have to just start now and start doing those things now. Okay, so if you really know that this is something you want for yourself, you have to just make sacrifices for it to get. You should have showed me that 11 months. I don't think I would go into it because it was scary, it was lonely, learning, watching those long videos. Like even now I didn't even know what was pushing me to finish up all those videos or watch all those videos, but it's worth it. You get, like on the understanding that I have of the markets now is all the work. Like I was watching all those videos. So if you really put in the work, I know ICT is going to help make you understand the market. And do not pay attention to all these people that will tell you that it doesn't work. Do not pay attention to all these people that is telling you that should I say it's too bulky, is this, is that. Okay, just pay attention on the things that work for you, even though it's unpopular. Okay, and some of the people's content I watched that helped me understand ICT trading more is, do not pay attention on the people that will tell you that they make it shorter for you to learn. Nobody teaches it better than the original. I'm telling you the truth. Okay, while I was on ICT video, it was bulky. He used to leave little things between his videos. Again, I watch ICT traders. I do go to his page. A video I would recommend is change the state of delivery. If you're an ICT trader and you still feel like something is missing, I think you should watch that change the state of delivery video. Because one thing again is, when you're watching on this video, try to go to the comment section. Something that made trading click was this change the state of delivery. When I watched that video, I went to the comment section and I saw Miss Tanja and she traded ICT. I was like, she wrote there was like, this was it for me, that this was what changed her trading. So immediately I saw that, I forced myself to understand change the state of delivery, and I can bet you that was like the holy grail I was looking for in trading. After that, another video is checklist video for you to understand in depth on when you to enter. That's TT trade check. I'm going to be leaving the links of all the videos in the description so you can go through them and then watch them as well. Another video is internal range and external range liquidity video. I think it's important you guys watch that video again. It's going to open your eyes a lot. So TT trade just goes specifically to that, and that's how I study. When I'm studying market structure, I go to the chart and look for only market structure. When I'm studying order block, I go to chart and look for only order block. And that's what TT trade always do in its videos, specifically teaching about a specific concept. Then another person I'll be recommending his channel for you to watch some of ICT concepts that helps me learn ICT is Sajid Cap FX. His video about ICT, ultimate ICT trading. Yes, and the video of how I made $1.2 million in profit, trading profit, and the video of which other video is that again? I think the video of where he said trading like a business as well. And then least but not the last, if you want to remain consistent in learning how to trade or having the right mindset, the psychology to keep on pushing, and I recommend you watch Miss Hannah Forex videos, because watching her journey from where she started is something that's going to encourage you and tell you that this is a process you're going. Like, it's going to make you focus on this thing works for her, so why is it not working for me? That's what was pushing me. I was like, if it's work for her, if she's using it and it's working for her, I'm going to learn it and it's going to work for me.
I don't know what actually to say, but I feel grateful to Miss Hannah Forex. One thing I know is that woman is really motivating and inspiring me. She almost made me cry today with, if you study for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months and you're still not executing, you need courage. So she talked about 3 things. She talked about process for everything. She talked about having predefined entry and exit, like marking up your charts, where you entering, where you existing, where you taking partials, marking out your charts. And that's something I tried this evening, and it's awesome. I'm grateful for her existence, and I want to keep telling myself, I believe I can do this. If she can do it, me too can. Okay, it's time and process. No, time I'll get better. I just need to keep believing my process and my model works. Anytime I take a loss, go back, fail, take the risk, take the losses, learn from them, come back again. You have to be courageous. One thing is, I'm not gonna give up. A minute is a minute. I didn't come this far to just come this far. I'm gonna keep trying.
Okay, so I recommend you watch her videos for you to stay consistent, stay focused, stay dedicated, like for you to keep on going. Another person I recommend his channel is Sapaladin, but I just found out that Sapaladin's channel is down. But his specific video was the video he was talking about how to know about market structure and how to know when it's a liquidity graph. My words of encouragement again is, if you really want to learn ICT, like, you just have to have the mindset of I want to learn how to trade. Don't have the mindset of you're looking for a holy grail, because if you have the mindset of that, I don't know how much is going to work out for you. But you just have to, should I say, understand that this is a process and it's a continuous learning and endless refinement. You get, just try to learn how to trade and not to be looking for holy grail or to increase your win rate, or just simply understand how the market moves. And I think ICT is able to solve that for you. And if you put in the work that is needed, I'm sure you're gonna start understanding the market and maybe understanding how the market is booked. So I think that's all for now. So this ICT roadmap on how I was able to learn how to trade, I think I'm going to make this video in just a couple 4 videos and then continue to what my channel is all about, in order to help other beginner forex traders to, maybe if you want to learn, these are the things you want to do for yourself. So you just have to eliminate the distractions, and if you're able to do that and continue studying, I'm sure you're gonna get the knowledge you need about trading ICT concepts. And I think that's all about that. So if this video was helpful, please do well to leave us a like and subscribe to the channel and stay with us while we grind. Okay.